Abby, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine. Did you go to school?
Yes, I did. And
Excuse
you?
me,
Yes, please.
where is the mobile store nearby?
Are you new here?
Yeah,
Which mobile are you like?
I like to buy on a phone.
Okay. You should go to Rana Plaza.
How can I go there?
You can go there on foot or by rickshaw.
I would like to go to buy on foot.
Okay, so you should go to straight, then you'll find a temple, then turn left, then go straight, you'll find Rana Plaza on your right.
How much does it take?
It's only 10 minutes.
Thank you for your suggestion.
It's my pleasure. Bye.
Bye.
Bilingual Learning Center, BLC, Bogura.